The Wisconsin Supreme Court is nearing the end of its term. Justices, though, have yet to issue rulings in more than half the cases they have taken on since September.
Our state capitol reporter Harm Van Huysen explores what's yet to be decided and how the current court compares to past trends.
Between now and June 30, we're likely to see justices issue decisions in 14 cases. That wave of ruling includes a challenge to the state's 1849 abortion ban, as well as several cases that could shake up the power dynamic between Governor Tony Evers and Republicans who control the state legislature.
Historically, this is a very small number, though at least not as tiny as last year.
History professor Alan Ball tracks a lot of data on the Wisconsin Supreme Court, from the average length of its decisions to justices' voting records. He says the court's total of 14 rulings last term were by far the fewest issued in any of the last 50 years.
This year, I'm predicting maybe 22, 23 total, so that's a little bit more than 50% increase over last year, but still far below what they were doing just a couple years before.
The lighter caseload doesn't mean the court isn't making big decisions. Last term, its new liberal majority overturned legislative maps that favored Republicans. In the coming weeks, the court is expected to rule in another historic case that it heard in November.
I think in the public's view, abortion is the biggest case left to be decided.
Brenna Gadar researches the state Supreme Court at UW Law School. She says the more disagreement there is on the court, the longer it can take for an opinion to be published.
The writing process can take a very long time, both for the majority opinion and then also for concurrences or dissents. And so if you have justices all agreeing on an issue and doing a single majority opinion, sometimes those cases can go a little bit quicker.
In addition to the abortion lawsuit, justices are set to rule on whether small committees of lawmakers have the authority to block state funding or overrule policies set by state agencies. Those decisions could have big implications for ongoing budget negotiations between the governor and GOP lawmakers. The court's current term officially ends on June 30, but sometimes it can take the court a few more weeks to publish all its decisions. In Madison, Harm Van Huysen, TMJ4 News.
And Harm is our reporter in Madison, has an office right in the state capitol. So if you have a story idea for him, let's talk. You can see his email is up on your screen right now, and just send him an email with whatever you want to share with him.